I'm going to show you how to do a permanent knocking point. I use a serving thread, BCY or similar. You'll need about 12 inches long just to make your life easier. I'm using paracord to demonstrate. So what you first do is you do a half knot to start off with. There we go. And then what we're going to do is take the short leg and we'll pop it down the string. We then take our thread and we then do 4 or possibly 5 wraps around the string. This just secures that first knot in place. So there we go. There we go. And we can just pull that down nicely, so that's nice and tight. Keep that little short leg out there. Now we're going to do some back serving. So we keep our tension on this side of the string, and we are now going to take our thread over the top of the string. We're underneath here, now over the top here, and we are going to back serve. So we leap through, and we're now coming back towards this thread. So we go over once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now what we're going to do is we take this end, we wrap it, we stretch it up the string, and now keeping tension on, we now carry on wrapping on this side, and you'll see that it now unwraps on the opposite side. So we now carry on doing that, like that. Until we have unwound completely. And then what we do, make sure you just keep a little bit of tension on there. You pull that leg through. There you go. And then we just take both ends, pull them together, and that is our knocking point. Cut that off nice and flush. You don't even need to burn it. That'll actually hold in place. When I'm doing these, I will do the bottom one first, and then once I've done that, I will then turn the bow over so that I can do the top one, and I then knock this way because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, it will be the opposite direction. I have a video of me doing it on the string with serving thread, which you can see in the next video. And just take your thread. This is BCY power grip, which is 0.14 thickness. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do start off with a half knot, and I want to have one length shorter than the other. So I would get my knock, pop it on there. This is a permanent one again. So pop it on there. You don't want too much slack. You want just a little wobble in there, but not a lot. So you see that? That's probably about right. Just a little bit of wobble, so that when it's at full draw, it's not going to pop the knock off. Okay. So we can pull that tight, pop that leg down there, and then we're going to wrap this over 3 or 4 times, and then we're going to back serve. So going from underneath, going over the top, and then we wrap inside 3, 4, 5, 6. Take that leg and pop it down there. Keeping tension on this, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get that leg, pull. There we go. And that is a knocking point done.